Hello, my name is Bartek Żukiewicz and here is the next rule, one of the 100 rule of the success. So listen carefully because I have very important advice for you. First of all, if you want to sell any product, if you want to sell any services, or maybe you want to convince somebody to your business, you have to work with passion. You have to be passionate about this product, about this service, or maybe about this business without burning yourself. You will not sell the enough emotion to convince anybody to your product. So first of all, you have to convince yourself and burn yourself. You have to be highly energetic. Without this, you will not sell any kind of the product, any kind of services, or maybe convince to the business. This is impossible. If you will not be convinced, and if you will not have energy, nobody will buy this for you. How to recognize who is passionate about the work, who is not? First of all, if you are going asleep and you cannot hold out until the morning, because you know after morning you will wake up and do something important, you will do something interesting, that means that you are the people who make your work with the passion. If you are not doing this because you know that every day is the same for you and you are living from the weekend to the weekend, and you know that tomorrow you will do the same like yesterday, you are not with the passion. You have to change your work. And if you are, for example, choose the right work, but you are not still burned, yeah? You have to meet with the people who have enough burn, because the emotion is like a ill. If somebody sneezes about you, and he is ill, for example, he have a flu or maybe fever, you will get this ill, because this is transferring the ill. Emotion is the same. If you will meet with the people who have highly emotion, who are highly energetic, you will transfer the emotion from them to yourself. So in my opinion, you have to choose wisely your friends who is highly energetic and who is a very positive person and who work with the passion, and join them, work with them and transfer their emotion to yourself. And if you don't have energy, if you don't have enough energy to creating, you don't have energy to motivate yourself, how to possess more energy, how to get more energy, you have to make any movement. For example, for me is the gym. I'm going to gym and training, and that's how I'm getting more energy. For you it will be it could be of course the bicycle, maybe swimming pool, maybe rollerblades, maybe ski. No matter, every kind of movement is good, because the movement is creating the energy, and without the energy, without the passion, without the conviction, you will not sell any product, any services, or any kind of business. You will not convince anybody. So if you want to be successful, you have to create the passion and you have to create the energy, and this is very important task for you. This is very important advice for you. So thank you for watching this video, and go to the next video to get more knowledge about the business, about the internet, about the selling art, and every kind of stuff like this. So go to the next material and see you in the next video. Bye bye.